This tutorial is about simple way to do state machine programming in Labview. First of all, to design a state machine, we will select enum constant by pressing Ctrl tab. Enum constant. Now we'll edit its items. So for the state machine, our first machine state should be initialization state. Next we can add run state 1, run state 2, and run state n. After that we will add another state called exit state. Okay. We can add further new states after as we work on our programming. Let us select another thing called case structure. And we will connect this enum constant with the case structure. You can see the states are appearing here. Only two states are appearing here. So what we'll do, we'll right click on the case structure and we'll add case for every value. Now we can see that the states for every value have been made in the case structure. We can scroll it down from initialization to run state 1, run state 2, run state n, and run state exit. Okay. Okay, let us do it on the full scale window. Now we'll place a while loop to run this state machine forever. So we will select while loop and place it outside the case structure. So we want our first state to be the initialization state. We will replace this loop tunnel with the shift register. So the first state will be initialization state, and now we can handle in which state we want to go from the initialization state. We will copy this enum constant, Ctrl C, and place it here, Ctrl V. So from initialization we want to go to the run state 1. We will put it like this, and like this. So from run state 1 we want to go to suppose run state 2. We will select run state 2 from here and we will connect this with this terminal, and in the next state until we simple Control V, and we will go to okay sorry, from the run state 2 we will go to run state n, and from we can switch from any of the state to the any desired state we want to switch by placing and selecting the state value from this enum constant. So at run state n, suppose we want to exit from here, so we will go to the exit state. At the time of exit, what we want to send back the initialization state to our shift register. Okay, to observe this loop, how it's working, the state machine, we can put some like wait for milliseconds. We will create a constant 1 second. Simple state machine structure. Okay, you can see it's still giving one error. Conditional terminal is not required. Okay, create control. Okay, now how to see this loop is working? We will need to turn this bulb on, and now we will run our VI. From initialization state, it's going to run state 1. From run state 1 to it's going to run state 2. From run state 2 to run state n, and from run state n to exit, and from initialize. In the next video, we will see how to add functionality to these states and do some little bit more of programming. Thank you very much.